How to add horizontal news scrolling text to video in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to add horizontal scrolling text at the bottom of it. Go to the Effects panel and click on Titles. Drag and drop a text plus above your video in timeline and adjust its duration to match your video. Select the text, open up Inspector panel. Enter your text and change the text styles. Now go to Shading tab, click on Element 2, and enable it. In the Appearance, click on this third option, then change the level to line. Change the color to a color you want, and decrease opacity a little. Also, increase Extend Vertical to increase background height. Now click on the Layout tab. Drag center Y value to the left until the text is at the bottom of the video. Then drag center X value to the right until the text is out of the screen from the right. Move the playhead to the start of the text and click on diamond button next to center to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the end of the text and decrease center X until the text is out of the screen from the left. And now we have a horizontal scrolling text. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.